Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of a user on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you get started using ClickUp and you want to go ahead and change the name of a user. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, click on the upper right hand corner, your profile icon, and then click on settings. And then from here, click on people on the left hand side. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and start adjusting the names of users on ClickUp. So we do have some bloated information here, but let's say that you invited someone. All you've got to do is click on the three dots or click onto their name. And then this will actually allow you to change your name up top. So if you click on the drop down menu, you can change your name. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the name of a user on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.